Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy, and today I got a short but sweet one for you, and that is using Keep to connect with an email. So let's show you how to do that. Now on the right side of the screen, you should see your Google Keep icon. That is the gold icon with a little light bulb to it. If you do not see this right side sidebar, go down to the bottom right corner of your screen. You may see a tiny little arrow, and it might be pointing to the left. Click on that and that should expose this right side sidebar. So here's what you're going to want to do. If you are currently reading your email and you're doing your thing, you want to connect this to a Keep note to maybe record some thoughts or something about it. Here's what you do. Go to the right side of the screen and click on that Keep icon. That will pop out your right side window. You can click on Take a Note or Create a Checklist, so either one will work. And when you do that, without even typing anything, it automatically creates a connection to that email. Now do keep in mind, if you throw the email away into trash or if you mark it as spam, then that connection will be broken because this is related to being in your all mail label as an active email. So keep that in mind. Now, if we do a title here, and we'll just say that this is our email one, I also want to just point out to you that there is, and I'm just going to click on Done here, there is the standalone app for Keep. Go to your 9-dot grid up at the top. In that launcher, you should see a Keep icon. Click on that, and it will take you to the Keep app, and you'll see that note. And then from there, with that email link, let's just pretend that we are going back to email and maybe going back to inbox view, doing our thing, but we're in our note here and we want to get back to that email. We can click on the link from here or from that right side sidebar in any of our application screens, and ta-da, it's going to open up a new mail tab and right into that email for you to do your thing. So I love this. I use this all the time. It's a great piece of doing a connector to it. The other piece that you can do with your Keep notes is that you can add a due date and time, maybe related to what that email said or needed to do with it. So I love the whole pick a date and time. That actually kind of converts to a reminder saved in tasks. And if you add a date and time, it will also connect and be visible on your Google Calendar. Love that. So there's a couple of different things that you can lay into for connecting Google Keep to an email. Until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update, this is Gary the Google Guy, signing off and signing out.